Day 258 of my body transformation. A few days ago, we already decreased our calories. Nagplateau na kasi ang weight loss natin, but we still make sure that we get the right nutrients. Kakain pa din tayo ng carbs before workout. Dinagdagan pa nga natin. Although we're trying to lose weight, mahalaga pa din sa atin ang training performance. By lifting heavy and training intensely, we are sending signals to our brain that it has to preserve our muscles kasi may demand for its strength. And more often than not, strength comes with size. Sa post-workout meal natin, iibahin na din natin ang macro split natin. We're still gonna go heavy on carbs since kailangan to replenish glycogen. And then pagdating sa protein, moderate na lang. Tapos, dadagdagan natin ng konti ang fats natin. Napabayaan kasi natin to before. Kaya medyo ramdam natin ang imbalances sa hormones natin. Up until now, malayo pa din tayo sa perfect na routine at diet. Okay lang to dahil ang gusto talaga natin is to make our journey sustainable and more enjoyable. Mabagal man ang progress, pero ang mahalaga, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Yan na muna ngayon. Bukas ulit.